Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the issue if your Roblox is just not launching. Alright, let's jump straight into it. So, the first thing you want to do is to fully uninstall Roblox from your system. Here's how I like to do it. Simply go to your desktop. In the bottom left-hand corner, click on the search box. Then just simply type add or remove programs in the search box and select it from the best match results. Then just find Roblox in the list of installed programs. You can either scroll through the list or use the search box at the top to type Roblox. Simply locate the Roblox application, click on it and choose uninstall. It may take a minute or two just to complete the full uninstallation process. So, now that you've uninstalled Roblox, let's go on to the next step. Just return to your desktop, and then go back to the bottom left-hand corner again, and this time you're going to type CMD. Then open the command prompt application from the best match results. Then in the command prompt window, enter the following commands as you see in this video. It's going to be cd appdata \local. rm directory /s Roblox. And just hit enter, and when you're prompted with a confirmation message, just type Y for yes and then press enter again. So to exit the command prompt, you can type exit and then press enter. Alright, now that we have Roblox uninstalled and the previous installation files removed, you can now proceed to re-download and install Roblox. So open up your favorite web browser, go to the official Roblox website, and then go to roblox.com/download. Then just click on the green Download Now button and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Roblox to your computer. And then once you've completed all these steps, Roblox should be reconfigured since you did a perfectly clean uninstall of Roblox. Hopefully, this does help resolve your launching issue. And if this tutorial helped, feel free to leave a like on this video, and as always, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Yet again, thank you so much for watching, we hope this fixed your problem, and we'll see you guys in the next one.